Hello friends, in this video I will show how to take screenshot in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you need a screenshot of your Excel worksheet, so press Shift Windows key plus S on your keyboard. Now here you can take screenshot for full screen mode or full window or any particular size like you need only just this chart screenshot. So select and drop. Now open the File Explorer and Pictures, and here you will find this screenshot. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you. And guys, another method, click on this insert and click on screenshot. So here you will see available windows from your system, from your PC. So you can take any screenshot like this one, select it, and you can keep anywhere. You can adjust the size, and you can crop. Press enter. So thanks for watching.